Imagine a machine that can grab a 200-foot tree and snap it like a toothpick. The Pony Scorpion King doesn't just cut trees, it devours entire forests. Watch as this mechanical beast tears through timber that would take a crew days to handle. Its hydraulic arms crush through oak-like paper, while razor-sharp blades slice wood faster than your eye can follow. This isn't logging, this is controlled destruction. When forests meet the Scorpion King, nature doesn't stand a chance. One machine, endless appetite for timber. This machine eats trees and spits out perfect chips. The Barber 83Z doesn't just shred wood, it transforms entire logs into uniform pieces with surgical precision. Listen to that thunderous roar as massive blades spin at deadly speeds, turning solid timber into flying fragments. That 17-foot discharge shoots wood chips like a cannon, filling trailers in seconds. Coarse chips, fine powder, whatever you need, this beast delivers. Trees go in whole, perfect chips come out. Industrial digestion at its most violent. This spinning cylinder of destruction turns forests into sawdust. The drum mulcher doesn't just clear land, it devours everything in its path like a mechanical tornado. Watch those razor-sharp teeth spin at terrifying speeds, grabbing small trees and shredding them into confetti. That spiral pattern pulls vegetation straight into the grinding chamber, where steel teeth tear it apart. Two-speed motor means double the destruction when things get tough. Trees, bushes, undergrowth, nothing survives the drum's hungry bite. Land clearing just became a blood sport. The precision cutting demonstration has revealed remarkable blade sharpness and cutting efficiency comparable to kitchen preparation techniques. These smooth, razor-sharp cuts have sliced through substantial tree trunks with such minimal resistance that the cutting action appears almost effortless. The blade technology has consistently delivered clean, precise cuts that require no additional finishing work. This cutting performance has eliminated the rough, splintered edges typically associated with conventional forestry equipment. The machine's ability to process timber with such surgical precision has transformed what was once laborious cutting work into smooth, streamlined operations that maximize both speed and quality. Meet the tree-eating monster that makes lumberjacks obsolete. The Woodcracker L2000 grabs trees nearly 4 feet thick and shreds them into perfect pieces in seconds. Listen to that bone-chilling crunch as steel jaws snap through decades of growth. Those spinning blades move so fast they're almost invisible, turning solid timber into neat logs before the tree even hits the ground. This machine doesn't just cut wood, it butchers it. 47 inches of pure trunk means nothing when the woodcracker gets hungry. Some machines work. This one dominates. Trees meet their executioner. When John Deere teams up with Feckin Attachments, forests don't stand a chance. Watch this mechanical death squad tear through woodland like a chainsaw through paper. Those spinning blades don't just cut trees, they obliterate them completely. Trunks, branches, roots, everything gets shredded into mulch in seconds. The coordinated assault leaves nothing but perfectly cleared earth behind. The Nava H60 log splitter has consistently demonstrated rapid and efficient log processing capabilities by successfully splitting timber into manageable smaller pieces. This hydraulic-powered machine has maintained steady operational rhythm while handling various log sizes and wood densities. The splitting mechanism has delivered clean, precise breaks without requiring multiple passes or repositioning of the logs. Its automated splitting action has significantly reduced processing time compared to manual splitting methods. The H60's performance has effectively streamlined the log preparation process, converting raw timber into ready-to-house pieces with remarkable consistency and speed throughout extended operational periods. The crushing demonstration has revealed incredible processing power, as this machine successfully reduced an 80-centimeter diameter tree trunk to fragments within minutes. Despite the substantial size and density of this massive timber specimen, the crushing mechanism has maintained consistent pressure and grinding action throughout the entire process. The machine's hydraulic system has delivered sufficient force to completely break down even the most resistant hardwood sections. This remarkable crushing performance has transformed what would typically be hours of manual processing into rapid, mechanized destruction. The equipment's ability to handle such large diameter trunks has proven its effectiveness for heavy-duty timber processing operations. This machine strips trees naked in seconds. The John Deere 254D doesn't just remove branches, it peels them off like you peel a banana. Watch those steel claws grab a massive trunk and drag it through spinning blades that slice every branch clean off. What took lumberjacks hours now happens in under a minute. The tree goes in looking like a Christmas tree and comes out looking like a telephone pole. Through, smooth, ready for transport. This isn't just debarking, it's mechanical surgery performed at lightning speed. Trees never saw it coming. These beasts laugh at mud that would trap a tank. Wagner's L60 and L90 don't just drive through swamps, they dominate them. Watch 160,000 pounds of pure machine power crawl through terrain that would swallow lesser equipment whole. 4 wheels spinning in perfect sync, clawing through clay and muck like it's solid pavement. That rear swing axle keeps this monster stable even when carrying loads that would topple buildings. Muddy season or dry ground, this machine adapts and conquers. When the earth tries to stop you, Wagner keeps moving. Picture a machine that can topple 50 trees before you finish your coffee. The DFM Feller Buncher doesn't just cut trees, it hunts them down like prey. Those massive steel arms grab trunks thicker than your body and slice through them like butter. Then it stacks the fallen giants into perfect piles, ready for pickup. Clay soil, sandy ground, steep hills, nothing stops this mechanical lumberjack. While human crews struggle with one tree, this beast has already claimed an entire grove. Forest to lumber pile in minutes. Nature meets its match. The Komatsu 865, equipped with an impressive 1933-ton pulling capacity, has successfully demonstrated its timber harvesting capabilities under extreme winter conditions. Despite encountering heavy snowfall and challenging muddy terrain that would typically halt operations, this powerful machine has maintained consistent productivity levels. The combination of exceptional traction control and robust hydraulic systems has enabled the 865 to gather substantial timber volumes while navigating treacherous ground conditions. Its performance in these adverse circumstances has clearly established the machine's reliability for year-round forestry operations, proving that weather challenges cannot compromise its harvesting efficiency. 72 feet of solid timber weighing 20 tons, and this trailer makes it look effortless. Watch as the Dole trailer's crane lifts massive logs like they're pickup sticks. Those telescopic arms extend and contract with surgical precision, placing each log exactly where it needs to go. The semi-trailer groans under the weight, but never breaks. Miles of winding roads ahead, and every log will arrive exactly as loaded. This isn't just transportation, it's moving mountains of wood with mechanical grace. When giants need to travel, they ride Dole. The Skidder Equus 6WC forestry tractor, equipped with 250 horsepower, has successfully demonstrated exceptional hauling capabilities by effortlessly transporting freshly harvested logs measuring up to 90 feet in length across challenging terrain features. Despite encountering steep slopes and scattered fallen debris, this powerful machine has maintained steady progress while carrying substantial timber loads. The tractor's 6-wheel drive system has provided superior traction control, enabling navigation through difficult ground conditions that would typically halt lesser equipment. Its performance across these demanding terrain obstacles has clearly established the machine's reliability for heavy-duty log transportation in rugged forestry environments. The HCO Maxi 2100 has consistently demonstrated smooth operational performance by precisely grabbing 1.5-meter-long logs and executing accurate lengthwise splitting operations. This hydraulic-powered splitter has maintained exceptional control throughout the splitting process, delivering clean, straight cuts that divide logs into perfectly sized sections. The machine's gripping mechanism has secured each log firmly before applying splitting pressure, ensuring consistent results across various wood densities and grain patterns. Its performance has effectively converted substantial timber pieces into manageable sections with remarkable precision, proving its reliability for high-volume log processing operations that require both speed and accuracy. This machine plants forests faster than nature ever could. The Plant Max X2 doesn't just put trees in the ground, it builds tomorrow's wilderness in record time. Watch as mechanical arms punch holes and drop seedlings with robotic precision. Pine, eucalyptus, oak. This planter handles them all like a factory assembly line. What used to take crews weeks now happens in hours. Each seedling placed perfectly, spacing calculated to the inch. This isn't farming, it's engineering the future forest. One machine creating entire ecosystems while you watch. The Valtra forestry tractor, featuring a 7-ton pulling capacity, has successfully completed logging operations despite encountering severely challenging waterlogged terrain conditions. This robust machine has powered through saturated ground that would typically bog down conventional forestry equipment, maintaining consistent operational efficiency throughout the demanding work environment. The tractor's traction control and weight distribution systems have enabled continuous forward progress even across unstable, muddy surfaces. Its performance in these adverse conditions has demonstrated remarkable reliability, proving that waterlogged terrain cannot prevent completion of essential logging tasks when equipped with appropriate forestry machinery. The log truck, equipped with an integrated hydraulic crane system, has successfully demonstrated efficient loading operations by precisely positioning 20 tons of timber onto the transport platform in preparation for delivery. The crane's lifting mechanism has maintained consistent control throughout the loading process, ensuring proper weight distribution and secure placement of each log section. This combined truck crane configuration has eliminated the need for separate loading equipment, streamlining the timber transportation process. The machine's performance has effectively prepared substantial timber loads for transport while maintaining operational efficiency and safety standards throughout the entire loading procedure. Watch a laser-precise blade slice through timber like it's soft cheese. The Roar WRC 1250 doesn't just cut wood, it performs surgery on massive logs. That horizontal band cuts so smooth it leaves mirror-perfect surfaces behind. Computer programming calculates every slice while hydraulic power guides the blade through timber thick as tree trunks. No crew needed, just mechanical perfection cutting lumber to exact specifications. This saw doesn't make mistakes. It makes perfect cuts, every single time. Precision engineering meets raw timber power. The Orvex LT100 skidder, powered by its robust 105 horsepower engine, has demonstrated exceptional load hauling capabilities by successfully transporting 60-foot-long tree sections across challenging winter terrain. Despite navigating through rugged, snow-covered ground conditions that would typically impede heavy machinery, this skidder has maintained steady progress toward the designated collection point. Its impressive traction control and power distribution systems have enabled consistent forward movement even while carrying substantial timber loads. The machine's performance in these demanding snow conditions has effectively showcased its winter operational reliability and load handling efficiency. The Mississippi 500 chainsaw has demonstrated exceptional cutting power by successfully felling a massive tree stump measuring over 1 meter in diameter within seconds. The logger operating this high-performance chainsaw has achieved what would typically require extended cutting time and multiple equipment changes. The saw's cutting chain and engine performance have delivered instantaneous results against this substantial timber obstacle. This remarkable cutting demonstration has clearly showcased the chainsaw's capability to handle oversized stumps that would challenge conventional forestry equipment. The machine's ability to process such large diameter wood in minimal time has proven its effectiveness for demanding stump removal operations. The Hebe Johnster 1088S crane, with its impressive 8-ton lifting capacity, has demonstrated exceptional precision by efficiently stacking dozens of tons of spruce logs onto the transport truck in perfectly organized arrangements. The crane's hydraulic system has maintained steady control while handling substantial timber loads, positioning each log with remarkable accuracy. Despite the challenging weight distribution requirements, this powerful lifting equipment has consistently delivered neat, secure stacking patterns that maximize truck loading capacity. The machine's performance has effectively transformed what would typically be labor-intensive manual loading into streamlined, mechanized operations that ensure both safety and operational efficiency.